Nintendo fans, it's time to get hyped. The Nintendo Switch 2 has officially been announced, and with it comes confirmation of several long-standing rumors. With new features, design improvements, and a tentative Switch 2 release date, there's a lot to unpack. Let's dive into everything we know so far about the Switch 2, what makes this next-gen console a must-watch for 2025. The official announcement of the Nintendo Switch 2 came on the 16th of January 2025, putting an end to years of speculation. Nintendo revealed the news with a brief but exciting 2-minute video highlighting the console's new features and design. As for the Switch 2 release date, it's currently expected to hit shelves in mid-2025, with the 11th of July 2025 being the most talked about date. While delays are always possible, this timeline feels achievable given Nintendo's track record. Post-announcement, Nintendo validated several pre-reveal rumors about the Switch 2. Good news for existing Switch owners. The Switch 2 will support most original Nintendo Switch games, allowing players to carry over their favorite titles. However, it's worth noting that not all games will work flawlessly due to specific accessory requirements. The Nintendo Switch 2 keeps the hybrid charm of its predecessor. Its design feels familiar, featuring the same detachable Joy-Con controllers, but with some modern improvements like a larger screen. Nintendo has taken player feedback seriously, giving the Joy-Cons a major overhaul. Magnetic attachments. Say goodbye to the old rail system. These controllers now attach magnetically, making them more user-friendly. Detaching the Joy-Cons is now easier thanks to an upgraded trigger mechanism. The flimsy kickstand of the original Switch has been replaced with a sturdy U-shaped kickstand. Covering the entire back of the console, it offers adjustable angles and better stability, especially for tabletop gaming. A second USB-C port, conveniently placed next to the headphone jack, allows users to connect multiple accessories simultaneously. Whether you're charging or adding peripherals, multitasking just got easier. While Nintendo kept some details under wraps during the announcement, a few juicy upgrades have been confirmed. The Switch 2 leaps from the original's 4 GB RAM to 12 GB. This will help games run smoother and faster. Nvidia's DLSS tech is rumored to power the new console, enabling improved graphics and performance for demanding titles. Switch 2 aims to deliver a superior gaming experience with visual and functional upgrades. The screen is bigger and better, with handheld mode expected to run at 1080p resolution, a massive improvement over the original 720p. The dock now features a rounded shape, making TV connections simpler and smoother. These hardware improvements signal a serious step up for the Nintendo Switch 2, making it a strong contender for modern gaming. Nintendo isn't stopping at the announcement. Several major events are lined up to share more about the Switch 2. Nintendo Direct presentation is scheduled for the 2nd of April 2025. This event is expected to provide detailed insights into the console's features, price, and launch titles. Following the presentation, fans can get hands-on with the console at special events held in major cities worldwide. These events are perfect opportunities for fans to get closer to the action and build excitement ahead of the launch. A new console is only as good as its games, and Nintendo seems ready to deliver. During the announcement, they teased several exciting titles. A brand new Mario Kart game, a 4K-enhanced version of Breath of the Wild, a fresh entry in the 3D Mario franchise, potential third-party ports like Cyberpunk 2077 and Final Fantasy VII Remake. Nintendo commitment to delivering both first-party exclusives and third-party hits ensures a diverse and exciting lineup for the Switch 2 release date. The gaming community has been abuzz with positive reactions since the announcement. On forums and social media, gamers have been discussing the Switch 2's potential, from better graphics to improved online functionality. One recurring topic is the Switch 2's backward compatibility, which has been widely praised. However, fans are still curious about other details, such as battery life and pricing. Switch 2 feels like the natural evolution of its predecessor. From its upgraded Joy-Con controllers and a larger screen to significant performance boosts, the Switch 2 promises to hold its own in the modern handheld market. However, the real test will come once we see how well it performs in real-world scenarios. For now, the combination of an exciting game lineup, backward compatibility, and modern hardware makes Switch 2 one of the most anticipated handhelds of 2025. What are your thoughts on Switch 2? Will you be upgrading or are you sticking with your current handheld? Let us know in the comments below.